Oh my god, walang jacket stuff. That's pretty. I look so pretty when I look at the mirror. But I don't just this put it as a camera. Okay. Ay! Wait ko lang. Hindi ko na-expect talaga nag-boom yung isa kong video, which is I entitled it Bading. Kasi ito, Filipino viewers, I think lang, na Filipino viewers yung nag-view na, kasi Tagalog yung title. Okay, so what happened this week? Kasi bukas na release, so I'm so happy and I'm so glad na mapasok bukas kasi I'm so tired na. I mean, ang dami nangyari yung week. Ang dami nagkaroon ng recitation, nagkaroon ng quiz, and then sa math, I'm really not interested in math. Kaya hindi ko talaga feel yung math. Yung kahit buong araw pa yan, kahit 30 seconds lang yan, tatama rin ako makinig dyan. And if you're gonna ask me paano nakuha yung mga grade na hindi naman mataas, pero katanggap-tanggap pagdating sa math. Kasi I am rewatching videos. Pero hindi talaga ako natututo sa pakinig sa lecture. Sorry to say that. Pero, natututo ako self-study. But, I still prefer those teachers na can teach me talaga na kayang kuhaan yung attention ko para makinig sa akin. That's it. And what I'm gonna tell you is, at my next week, super stressful kasi may pa-check ko my next week. Sita ba yung front office lab ko? Hindi pa kasi natin yung front office lab kanina. And last day, I was like, oh my god, ang daming time at hindi pa ito ba yan. But syempre, we have to respect the decision of those who are deciding. And grabe, ano pang mangyayari? Akala ko talaga, ang motivation ko lang talaga is konti na lang. Akala ko talaga next week is gonna be the last week of December. Like, it's gonna be the last week and then the vacation na. And of course, like, I realized na, oh my gosh, meron pa pala isang week pa. And then, I became so stressed kasi ang alam ko, as far as I know, is kasi mas wala kaming written halos kasi nga puro nagpa-project na lang sila. So, itong math na ito, pagdating talaga sa minor subject, it's Apple. Kasi, how come na you have already give us a semester project, but still, you still want us to take a written exam? Like, hey, you're the only one. Ikaw lang nag-iisa na, I'm not talking about the teacher, I'm just talking about the subject. Like, hey, the course. Okay, that's it. And what happens? Like, and guys, I feel like I'm so pretty. I was like pretty. And people know that. Those who see me every day notice that. Like, I feel so pretty and my aura is like so high. And I don't know, and like the muscle, the biceps. I just need to build that body that I'm wanting. Kailangan ko lang talaga mag-build ng body because that's what I'm lacking. I need to be disciplined kasi that's also what I'm lacking. Discipline. Look, anong oras na hindi pa tayo natutulog. I am supposed to be sleeping for 8 hours, but my body just don't want to. Guys, I'm gonna be putting a lot of effort now because we have to build the earth in our future. Because we're so expensive. We're expensive as. Thank you for watching.